So when you first walk in, I have just a little closet here and some shelves up there. And then you'll walk right into the bathroom. It's got a little sliding door. And I've got some storage there. And some shelves here, or cabinets, whatever. And I have a little area to put some towels. I'm trying to figure out how I want to cover this because I don't think I want it to just be out like that. And I'm also thinking about doing some type of painting or something right up top there. Here's my shower and tub area. The tub is actually a nice size. I'm really excited about the tub. All right, something just happened to my audio, but also in the bathroom, I have a washer and dryer area, which is amazing. Do not have to try to find a laundromat because I will not be having a car anymore since I am right in the heart of downtown. And I have this little closet area. It's actually a very nice, spacious closet. Initially, I thought it was gonna be big enough for me to have my little YouTube set up in there, but I don't want to feel claustrophobic. I actually don't have too much stuff, so I doubt that that closet is going to be super full, but I'm happy to have that additional storage space. And then as we turn around, we are in the kitchen area. I love it. I'm probably not going to spend too much time in there because I don't really cook, but maybe I will try to learn since I have my own kitchen. And I also have a dishwasher. Probably won't be utilizing all those shelves. So actually, even if I do decide to cook, I don't really eat that much, so whatever. That's my little pantry area. I'm probably going to keep my cleaning products in there. Then this is the rest of the main area. So my bedroom is gonna go right in this space, I think. And then I'll have maybe my YouTube area station right in front of this window. And then I'll have a little couch and stuff in this little area. And I'm one of the only units that gets a little patio. So although it's not much of a view, I'm still gonna take advantage of it. Some people have little decks, but I think we're like the only people. Then I want to get some plants put out there. Whatever. So this is my very first little spot. I will take you guys along with me as I decorate it, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This is why I have kind of been missing for the past few weeks. So I've been doing this, so I'm gonna move in some stuff now, and until the next video, see you guys later.